Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. In this very exciting video of factorial equation. Equation is x plus 5 factorial over x plus 2 factorial equal to 210. So while solving this problem, we will see and understand the basics of factorials. Then we will see the cubic equation, how to find the solution of cubic equation using remainder theorem. And then we will conclude our answer, then verification. So let's get started. I will write by the definition of factorial. X factorial is equal to x into x minus 1 factorial. So I will write x plus 5, x plus 4, x plus 3 into x plus 2 factorial divided by x plus 2 factorial. Now this term will get cancelled out. Right hand side is 210. So what is left? That is actually forming one cubic equation. X plus 5, x plus 4, x plus 3 equal to 210. Now we have to find the cubic equation. So let's take the cubic equation, means form the cubic equation. X square plus 3x plus 4x 7x plus 12 minus 210 equal to 0. X cube plus 7x square plus 12x, x is done. Now multiply by 5. 5x square plus 35x plus 60 minus 210 equal to 0. Now simplify this side. X cube plus 12x square plus 37, it will become 47x minus 150 equal to 0. X cube plus 12x square plus 47x minus 150 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation. We have to solve this equation. How we will solve? I am going to use remainder theorem. You can have other options also. I will show you how to solve using remainder theorem. So we need only one factor of equation. That is what the minimum requirement to apply a remainder theorem. So if I will check for x is equal to 1, 12, 47 minus 150. So it looks like it is not equal to 0. Let me put x equal to 2. So 8 plus 48 plus 94 minus 150. So if you will check, then it will give you 0. That means x equal to 2 is one solution, or x minus 2 is one factor of the given cubic equation. So let's apply remainder theorem. X minus 2 is one factor, and let's write the cubic equation. That was x cube plus 12x square plus 47x minus 150 equal to 0. Okay. What we have to do, we have to write the maximum power by replace one power by the factor. So x square x minus 2. X cube was there. Now it is written x square into that factor, common factor. Now what extra you have added here, that is minus 2x square. So we have to compensate it. So I will write plus 2x square, and the remaining would be as it is. 12x square plus 47x minus 150 equal to 0. It will be as it is, plus 14x square plus 47x minus 150 equal to 0. Let me write the same job. 14 times x, replace by that factor. So that is equal to, so to counter that minus 2, so we have to add plus 28x plus 47x minus 150 equal to 0. Next step we will write, this becomes 75x minus 150 equal to 0. If you will take 75 common out, then x minus 2. Now you can see x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2. So we will take x minus 2, and in second bracket we will have x square plus 14x plus 75 equal to 0. This is how you will factorize this cubic polynomial or cubic equation. Now once solution is clear, x equal to 2. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. So I will only check whether we can get real solution from this or not. Because let me find out discriminant d or delta. So that value is b square minus 4ac. Okay. So that value will be 14 square minus 4 times a times 75. So that will be 196 minus 300. So obviously it looks like minus 104, which is negative. So that means no real solution. Complex solution from the quadratic equation you will be having. Okay, so we will reject this x square plus 14x plus 75. Means from there we are getting actually complex solution, so we will reject this. So obviously x minus 2 equal to 0. That means x is equal to 2 is our solution of this equation, factorial equation. Now we have to only verify. So let's check or verify it. So I will write 2 plus 5. In place of x, I am writing 2 over x. X means 2 plus 2. So it is basically 7 factorial over 4 factorial. So that value will be 7 into 6 into 5. 4 factorial will be cancelled out. So 7 times 6 is 42 times 5. So that is equal to 210. Hence verified. So that means our answer is x equal to 2. This is how we will solve such kind of factorial equation. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and give like impression also. Bye bye till next video.